Wednesday, we announced that effective tomorrow, we are lifting all COVID capacity and distancing restrictions. Following the surprise announcement yesterday on the change of policy by the CDC, and in consultation with our health department and our team of public health officials and medical experts, the state of Maryland will now also be lifting the mask mandate in conjunction with all the other measures. For the time being, and also following CDC guidance, public transportation, healthcare settings, and schools will be the only exception. For anyone who has not yet been vaccinated, masks are still strongly recommended in most situations. However, if you're fully vaccinated, which means 2 weeks have passed since you received your second shot or your one dose of Johnson & Johnson, you should feel free to safely resume any activities without wearing a mask, indoors or outdoors. Businesses across the state and other workplaces are obviously free to set their own policies with respect to masking, and we support their ability to do so. There will just no longer be any legal mandate from the state. Those who have not been vaccinated are strongly advised to immediately do so. And the easiest way to be protected from COVID is to get vaccinated right away. We now have 704 pharmacies and 271 doctors' offices providing vaccines. Our 13 mass vaccination sites remain open and fully operational, with direct scheduling available, as well as no appointment opportunities where you can simply walk up or drive through and immediately get your vaccine. Thanks to the massive vaccine infrastructure that we've built, and with 5.5 million vaccinations that have already been administered, it is now easier than ever to find and to receive a vaccine in Maryland at more than 3,000 different locations. And it is clearer than ever that these vaccines are working. As we've gotten those 5.5 million shots into the arms of Marylanders, the result has been amazing declines in all of our health metrics, all across the board and all across the state. Maryland's case rate per 100,000 has dropped by 68% over the past 4 weeks to its lowest level since last July. Hospitalizations have now dropped below 700 for the first time since last November, and they're all the way down to 680. And today we have reached 1.91%, our second lowest daily positivity rate ever throughout the entire pandemic. It has now been 1 year, 2 months, and 9 days since we first began taking unprecedented actions to bring our entire public health arsenal to bear against this invisible enemy. Together, we summoned every ounce of our strength and every resource at our disposal to defeat this threat. We built field hospitals and expanded our surge capacity by 6,000 beds. We procured millions of gowns, masks, and other PPE, and deployed thousands of contact tracers across the state. We built an entire testing infrastructure from scratch, going from doing just 50 COVID tests per day to now surpassing 10 million tests. As soon as vaccines became available, our team began working around the clock to get shots into the arm of every single eligible Marylander. This effort grew to more than 11,400 people all across the state who have now successfully administered those 5.5 million vaccines into the arms of Marylanders, including 87% of our most vulnerable citizens. Today is the day that so many of us have been waiting for and working toward. We finally do clearly see that light at the end of the tunnel. Our long, hard-fought battle against the worst global pandemic in more than a century is finally nearing an end. As we reflect on the hard work and the many sacrifices that it has taken to finally reach this point, we say thank you to the countless Marylanders who helped us get through here, get to this point. Our healthcare heroes, the doctors and nurses who work day in and day out on the front lines, our Maryland National Guard citizen soldiers who distributed meals to kids and built and staffed our testing and vaccination sites. We thank every Marylander who volunteered, gave blood, donated to food banks, and all the businesses that shifted their entire operations overnight to make masks, produced sanitizer, to manufacture face shields. And we thank every single Marylander who has gotten their vaccine. Today we also pray for all those families with an empty chair at the dinner table. And we resolve to never forget any of the 8,716 Marylanders who have been taken from us by this invisible killer. Now, as many of us take off our masks and start to put this pandemic behind us, I ask each and every one of you to please just be kind and respectful of one another. Some people feel comfortable getting back to normal life right away. For others, it may take more time before they feel safe. That's perfectly okay, and we should all respect each other. You are all Maryland strong, and I'm so proud of the people of this great state. From the beginning of this crisis, we Marylanders truly have been all in this together.